What's up, baby? It's Eric here. First upload.
You are a worthless piece of shit, you know that? You are a completely worthless pet. Look at you. You just sit down and you just lie around. You don't even kill animals anymore. We have to feed you, or else you would die. Do you know how worthless your life is? Do you? Well, I got you some stuff to maybe help you out. This book really helped me when I was in my time of need. Maybe it'll help you too. You give that a good read. It really speaks to your soul. And here, have a Werther's. It's a caramel coffee flavor. It's caramel and coffee. It's good. You're gonna need a calculator if you want to get a job. You know, gotta do math. Gotta pay your bills. I bought you some 7-Up diet. You know, don't want too much sugar. Here you go. That's all for you. I hope your life really turns around. You know, I'm giving you the boost.